Today we're going to be putting in some soundproofing material in the BRZ. This is mainly to eliminate drone, outside noise, tire noise, and just to help vibrations stop in the car. So a typical material used is Dynamat. I found a cheaper alternative on the internet for about half the price. It's called Fat Mat. Same exact thing, just an off-brand. So basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna do the trunk today. So we're gonna strip everything, take the tire out, get it to bare metal, clean it a little bit, and then we will be applying this and cutting it to appropriate size to try and soundproof the trunk a little bit. Tools going to be used here are an X-Acto knife to cut the material to the appropriate size, and also this bundle I bought on Amazon came with a little roller to help roll the material into place, which I heard that was really helpful. So other than that, we shouldn't really use anything else, and it should be good. It's going to be mad. Let's get started. So now that we have all the liner out and all that good stuff, we're just bare metal. We're gonna measure out all the flat spots so we can draw out the appropriate size, make some cuts, and start sticking. Look how much. Oh shit, it smells, dude. So, what are you doing there, champ?
Trying to turn it on.
It's not working.
I don't know how I turn it on.
Oh, it smells.
Yeah, dude, it does smell.
Well,
How do I turn it on?
it's yours. I thought you'd know. Turn them. I understand how it works. It gets hot and then a fan blows it out, but now you're just burning it.
No, dude, that's how it works.
Oh my.
Alright.
And just like that, we just finished the trunk. We ended up using all the fat mat, I guess is what it's called. We ended up just getting little scrap pieces and sticking them in corners and whatnot, just making it all fit because we didn't want any leftovers. Soon to come, I have a lot more ordered, and we're gonna finish the car. And by that I mean doing the headliner and taking the seats out, doing the bottom of the car and whatnot. But for now, this will do. And so pretty self-explanatory. Just go to the bare metal of the car and put it down and make sure you roll it to get no air, so you eliminate any air bubbles, and simple stuff. So stay close to the look, and thanks for watching.